My name is Sophie, founder of Eudaim, and this is my story. For years, I followed the corporate path, growing, ticking boxes, achieving. On paper, everything looked right. I was hitting the KPIs, climbing the ladder, and showing up to all the meetings prepared. But beneath the surface, the pace was relentless. I remember sitting in back-to-back meetings, often skipping lunch, and constantly felt like I was jet-lagged from business trips. Soon after I became a mum, the pandemic hit. The pressure doubled, and suddenly the walls of home became the walls of work, motherhood, and survival all at once. There were days when I was feeding my baby during online meetings, waking up early and working late into the night. I think I was trying to prove that I could still keep up. With the build-up of such pressure, my health compromised, both physically and mentally. I was exhausted in a way that sleep couldn't fix. My shoulders were constantly tight and my chest felt heavy. And I found myself forgetting things, losing focus, and feeling on edge even during moments that should have been calm. Every time I held my baby, I felt guilty for not being able to spend more time with him. And over time, I started to lose joy and feel depressed. I started to question the meaning of life and kept asking, what's the point of it all? But before I could sink in further, I was lucky enough to have met my mental coach, who helped me to pull myself out of this quicksand. I realized something had to change for the mother, the partner, the human I wanted to be. I first need to look after myself. Whenever I was feeling anxious, I learned to analyze whether it was real. If it's not a real issue yet, then just let it go. Just worrying about some issue that could or could not happen in the future does not help at all. I simply needed to do what's within my control to live in the moment. But then how can I live in the moment? So macrame and watercolor painting became my refuge. I've decided I would set up 15 minutes a day, no matter how busy I was, to dedicate to either knotting or painting. During that time, all I focused on was how to make the next knot and where to place the next stroke. I was truly amazed by how much my mentality refreshed and re-energized, and I thought to myself, wouldn't it be nice if I could help people who are going through the same thing as I did to find their joy again? And this transformation has led me to start Eudaim. Joy and mental well-being aren't luxuries. They're something we can all tap into. Just need a little imagination and creativity. A new creative chapter begins, and I'm so glad you're here.